The GPS 7000-mounted tracker is designed for discrete installation using a simple two-wire connection to the vehicle battery that most owners can handle without professional help. Once installed, it delivers continuous location updates in real time, so you can see where a car is, how it is being driven, and whether it stays within planned routes. Coverage extends across the United States of America, Mexico, and Canada on major cellular networks, which makes it practical for cross-border road trips and regional fleets. The companion app presents speed history, route playback, and driving behavior data in a clear way, giving both individual drivers and fleet managers useful insight rather than just dots on a map. Customizable geofence alerts let you know when a vehicle enters or leaves chosen areas, adding a strong extra layer of security for family cars, work trucks, or other valuable assets. Included service for the first term means you can start tracking immediately, and the ability to renew or stop later without surprise charges keeps long-term costs under your control.